Another beautiful morning and another early start, so I can enjoy the sailing into another port. The port in question today is the Spanish Canarian island of Gran Canaria. Gran Canaria is the third largest of the Canary Islands, with Las Palmas being the capital of the island. You will find Gran Canaria in the Atlantic Ocean, around 150 kilometres from the northwest of Africa. Gran Canaria is around 50 kilometres in diameter. While the island was formed from volcanic eruptions, this was mainly from millions of years ago, with the last eruption being 2,000 years ago. While many centuries ago Gran Canaria was governed by Africa, in 1483 it was conquered by the Crown of Castile under directions from Queen Isabella I after a 5-year campaign. In the area where we ported were a number of old Spanish warships, which we believe are used for training exercises now. We saw that there were many sailors in active roles on the ships during our day in port, which was great to see. Each ship has a number on it, like P41 for example. If you Google the numbers, you can find out more about the history of each ship and what it used to be used for. Right, let's have some breakfast before we get on with our day. As you will see in this video, Gran Canaria is a great port stop as there is so much to do by foot and even more by coach or car. By foot we managed to enjoy a shopping mall, little market, the town centre, the promenade, a beautiful beach with stunning views and so much more. So join us today as we explore the capital of Gran Canaria, the port of Las Palmas. We start our discovery of Gran Canaria with a walk through a shopping mall, which is about a 2-minute walk from the ship. There's a supermarket in the mall, so perfect for any goodies, toiletries or whatever you might need for your time on board the ship. Our first impressions of Gran Canaria were very positive indeed. Interesting, a technology museum. After a short walk through the town, a small market, a pretty square, we find ourselves at the beach and its lovely long promenade. Plus, of course, we find somewhere for a cuppa, snack and a view. The cafe, of course, has a toilet for customers to use. As you walk along the promenade to the right, the coastline becomes very rugged and stunning. I'm not sure if the camera picked it up, but there were tons of crabs. On our way back to the ship, we happened to cross a great event with lots of awesome boats and other boys' toys. I guess it was because today was World Ocean Day. There seems to be lots of opportunity for people to experience sailboats and lots of other vessels. The area where the event was being held was right next to Gran Canaria's aquarium. I love our room creature today, especially for World Ocean Day. Time for another delicious meal in the buffet before it's time for our ship to depart. You can pretty much see from the ship where we walked today. So we started our day walking up the red ramp and through the shopping mall, then pretty much towards the tall building, and we kept to its left. When we reached the beach, we walked along the promenade to the right, and when the time came to walk back, we kept that tall building on our right. We came back across this modern sweeping bridge which brought us to the World Ocean Day event, and then back to our ship. What a great day! We saw lots of different sides of Gran Canaria without having to venture too far, although we did do quite a few steps, to be honest. This interesting beast has been parked next to our ship for most of the day, filling it up with fuel. Ah, the aduanas. According to Google, these are the customs officers on this boat. Right, it's time to leave the beautiful island of Gran Canaria. Next stop is another Canarian island, Lanzarote. Thank you for watching. Bye.